Unboxing and setting up the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 3101 through 3108 and MFP 3101e through 3108e printer series. Open the box and remove the setup guide and other documentation included with the printer. Remove the printer power cord and set it aside. With the box on its side, grasp the packaging and pull to remove the printer from the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from the printer and set them aside. Remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the orange tape from the exterior of the printer and tilt the toner access door up to remove the tape from beneath the door. Remove the clear plastic shields from the printer display and the HP symbol. Slide out the input tray and slide the paper guides to the sides of the tray. Place paper in the tray and adjust the guides so that they are resting against the edges of the paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. The printer powers on. If you would like to set up your printer on your network with an Ethernet cable, connect one at this time. If you would prefer a wireless connection, your printer will remain in wireless setup mode for 2 hours. Do not connect any cables at this time and proceed to the next step. Note: this video will proceed with a wireless setup process. If you are connecting with an Ethernet cord, not all steps will pertain to you. Follow the prompts you receive on the printer and your computer to complete the Ethernet cord setup process. Select your language and tap Confirm. Then select your country or region. On the Select Connection Method screen, tap Wireless. Tap your network name from the list of available networks. Use the touch keypad to enter your wireless password and tap Done. Tap OK to confirm the settings. On the Connection Successful screen, tap OK, and then tap Continue. The printer will check for firmware updates and then retrieve a pairing code. The pairing code will display on the printer control panel and is valid for 2 hours. Take a picture or write down this code as you will need it later in the pairing process. To activate your HP Smart Printer, open a web browser on your computer. For HP Plus printer models, go to hpsmart.com/activate. For standard printer models, go to hpsmart.com/connect to open up HP Smart Setup. Click Continue. Note: some of the screens you see during the setup process might differ depending on your operating system and the latest updates to the process. You must also set up the printer with a PC. You cannot set up your printer with a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet. On the HP Smart Setup page, sign in to your HP account or click Sign Up if you do not have one. If you are creating an account, enter your information, create a password, and then click Create Account. A verification code will be sent to the email address that you entered. Enter the verification code and then click Verify. Once your account is verified, click Continue. When prompted, select an account type. You can choose from Company Managed or Personal, then click Continue. Note: if you choose the Company Managed account type, you will be prompted to assign a printer owner. To accept the terms on the Connected Printed Services page, select Accept All. If prompted to continue with a firmware update, click Confirm and Continue. When prompted for the pairing code, enter your pairing code that was displayed on your printer control panel earlier. Click Continue. When prompted, give your printer a name and location and click Continue. Or if you do not want to add these details, click Skip. The connection process begins. A message displays when connection is complete. An Instant Ink offer page displays. Instant Ink is an ink or toner monthly subscription where you can get cartridges delivered to you based on the amount of pages you print. To sign up for an Instant Ink subscription, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. If you would prefer to sign up at a later time, you can also choose to skip the offer for now. On the Finish Printer Setup page, click Setup next to the Setup Print and Send a Test Page option. Click Install next to the Install a Print Driver option to download the print driver. After the driver has downloaded, click the .exe file to start the printer driver installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the print driver installation. This includes reading and accepting the installation terms and choosing whether or not you would like to share data. If prompted, select Automatic Setup to allow the software to automatically detect your printer. Follow the remaining prompts and options, and the driver setup process completes. Once the driver installation is complete, click Print next to Print a Test Page to ensure the printer is set up and ready to print. Click Done to close the Setup, Print, and Send a Test Page window. To set up scan destinations and the printer fax, click Setup next to those options. At the bottom of the Finish Printer Setup page, click Go to HP Smart Admin to open HP Smart Admin Dashboard. From here, you can manage your printer, monitor print usage, view your HP Instant Ink plan, and manage settings and notifications for your HP Plus account. Note: HP recommends bookmarking the HP Smart Admin Dashboard so you can easily access it again to manage your printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.